Hi, it's Rupert from CL Systems, just going over some Accredo tips. In version 4 of Accredo, they made the Navigator docked. Means when you've got a form full size, you can still see the Navigator and be able to navigate to other areas of Accredo and still see the Navigator. Clicking the Home button will make the Navigator close and expand again. With the Navigator, you can actually use your arrow and just drag it down so you can make it smaller. When making it smaller, the Navigator tabs will collapse on top of each other, and you can just expand it back depending on what size you want the Navigator. To undock the Navigator, simply click on the word Navigator and drag it off, and your Navigator becomes undocked. This is like it was in version 3.6 and before, which means when you do have a form open and you expand it, it will take up the full screen. To dock it back in, simply click on the word Navigator and drag it to the left side. You can see the red line appear. Releasing it will dock it back in. You can also dock it to the right hand side with the red line appear, release, and you can see it's docked to the right side. Another tip I want to bring you is with the word lookups. When you search for a word, you simply click on the binoculars and you can type in a word and search on the customer name. You can also add in other fields, for instance address field 1. If we go to setup, accounts receivable, settings, go to the word tab and go edit. From here we can select any field, so I'll just select address 1 and go save. It's just going to prompt to rebuild the index, go OK, so it's rebuilt it. Means if you want to search on something, you can just click on the binoculars again, and for instance I can search it on the word box and it will bring up any customer or customer address that has the word box in it. Simply clicking on one of those will take you to that search result. Also, with the word lookup, you can actually customize in other fields. So at the moment we've got customer code and customer name. If I wanted to add currency code and customer group, we can customize that. Simply right click on it and go customize and select the fields you want to add to your lookup. So I want to add in currency code and customer group, and then you apply and save it to either yourself or other users. I'm just going to apply and save it globally for all users, which means when you look on the drop down you can see the two new fields that we've added in. That's it for now. Look at bringing more videos in the future.